back with another video. I'm in Walmart. I just put it on the side. I'm in Walmart, y'all, and we got a storm coming. Ugh. It's bad in here. They barely got stuff on the shelves, y'all. Like, it's crazy. Walmart looks like. Y'all look at this. This is crazy. Y'all, look at the juice. Who wants orange juice in a storm? Like, look at this. This is crazy. They about to have hurricane parties and stuff out here. Like, look at this. All the Gatorade stuff ran through. Body armor ran through. Matter of fact, give me one. Look at all the water, man. Look at the chips. Hold up. The candy not that bad, though. I mean, besides the boxes all over the place. Oh, this is crazy. Do not move to Louisiana, please. Don't move into Louisiana. If you want to move to Louisiana, move to Pineville or something. Don't come New Orleans way. By the way, I do not live in New Orleans. I live 40 minutes out from New Orleans, but it's close enough. Y'all, the bread ain't bad. The bread ain't that bad. This video gonna be cut in so many parts. I'm sorry, but look at this. So we at Winn-Dixie now. It's the juice aisle. That's my cookies. But this is what the juice and the water look like. Neat. Yeah, it's real. It is real. This is what we working with now. This is what we working with now. Sun. Clouds. Sun, clouds. Y'all just pray for Louisiana. For those who not leaving like me. Because things can change. But it's fine. So, yeah. Left out of Winn-Dixie. I think we're about to go home. I hope so. Alright, gotta go.